Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Live from the land of promise and to the entire Luzon, Visayas. Ako'y nagpapasalamat na talagang bumalik muli ang aking sigla, ang aking enerhiya para sa lahat. Alam ko, gulong-gulo na kayo. Gulong-gulo ang buong mundo. Ay diretso sila na nagkaklamar ng hindi sa kanila. I thank ang kataas-taasan na mga makapangyarihan sa kalangitan, makapangyarihan sa Lemuria, sa ating syudad sa araw, sa Biringan City. Lahat kayo na mga kaharian na nagmula sa pusod ng mundong ito at diyan mismo sa pusod ng Ligwasan Mars. The Eye of the World ay kung saan ko itinanim muli ang ating kaharian sa Raja Sulaiman. Magandang hapon sa inyo, Sultan Kelly, Kayulawan Pandala Pasandalan. 10 na ang ating Raja Sulaiman, Peacekeeping Group, Special Security Forces, at ang ating Royal Armed Forces. Binabawi ko muli sa kamay, sa kuko ng nagbili ng tropa ng National Liberation Front of Southern Philippines na yan ay inihanda ko ay magkaisa kayo. Ibangon muli ang sakripisyo na dinanas ninyo sa pagbitbit ng mga motor paakyat sa kabundukan para mabawi natin ang puwersa ng ninakaw ng mga ibang organisasyon, ibang mga tinatawag natin ideolohiya na siyang nag-poison, nagbigay ng hindi tapat sa bayan, kundi diretsong paglaban sa bayan hinirang ang lupang pangako. Nagpapasalamat ako. Kaya nga hinimok ko lahat. Ang bawat piso na binibigay niyo sa akin ay yan ang patunay na kayo ay nasa akin. Dugot pawis ninyo, maliit kimalaki, ay gagantimpalaan kayo ng kalangitan, ng kaharian ng Lemuria, ng kaharian ng Royal Empire of Lupaso. Philippine Islands Federal Republic, I reinstalled you from the day that I work my political military mission in Maguindanao. Iyan ang pinaka-target ko. Bawiin sa revolutionary government ng 1986 dahil ang 1987 Constitution is an illegal and never amended. That's why I am sending message to you, Chief Justice formerly Carpio, mga hurado ng Korte Suprema, kayo ang nag-destroy ng batas dahil alam ninyo kung ano ang estado ng Pilipinas sa mata ng global setup, pangmundong batas. Hindi ninyo akalain na malalagpasan ko kayo, na mauunahan ko kayo. Dahil ang inisip ninyo, kayo ang makapangyarihan, kayo ang mga hari sa mga hari dahil hawak ninyong batas na binaluktot ninyo. You distorted the truth. You distorted the laws of the land to be able to serve you. The rich, you are funders of this adulteration of the laws. Akala ninyo nanalo kayo sa EDSA Revolution? Hindi. That was an orchestration of the cabal. That was a manipulation in the name of Vatican. Illuminati. In February 2nd, I installed, itanim muli. Itatanim ko kayo sa lupa, sa lupang pangako, dahil binabawi ko ang kapangyarihan na iyan ay pinahiram lamang ng kalangitan, pinahiram ng ating mga lolo para kayo tumayo bilang mga nasyon. Ang League of Nations, ang Union of Nations, and now the United Nations, behind that are the grandfathers. They are still there. And you cannot deny that fact that Queen is the mandamos ng National International Court, mismo sa pusod ng International Court of Justice, mismo sa International Criminal Court ng United Nations. Supreme Court is not above of all the judicial authorities. Hindi kayo mas labaw. Ginamit ninyo ang lahat na ito para sa inyong pansariling interest lamang. You have seen, that is the grandfather behind me holding the United Nations seal na yan mismo ang tumatak sa mga papeles ko na ninakaw ng mga naging queen na iyon ay mga inchik pa na pinagkatiwalaan ko. Ang masakit, mga kaibigan ko, naging biktima kayo ng world of lies dahil konektado sila. Pinahiya niyo ako, sinaktan niyo ako dahil mas buti ninyong maniwala sa matatamis na dila. Porke ba sila maganda? Ang papeles nila, binigyan ko sila. Binigyan ko para malaman ko ang katotohanan. Queen is a player of divine truth. Divine justice shall be served unto you, no matter what it cost. I have done my mission in the premise that I have toppled down even the cabal of Vatican. I am not arrogant. I am not trying to defy the laws of each nation. But as I have projected a long time ago, if you will not surrender to the source of origin of all the heritage asset, I am binded to speak out in this tongue of the Spirit of God, of Allah. I remind the Islam, do not tell me that you are the true Islam because you bow down, you pray 5 times a day. You didn't know how Allah rules into this world, into the heavens, and into the earth below. You never thought that Queen could make all these things valid, legitimate, and make the whole world suffer for not surrendering to the divine justice, to the divine rule, to the divine truth. Who is Allah, who is God, who is Nini Buddha, and my grandfather holding the key has given it to me to be able to fix the entire world. I pity you, caretaker President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos. If I have to strip you by DNA, you will know of who you are. I pity those military that you used, Secretary Anyo, Secretary Galvez, You are all liable to all the killings of the vaccination of the COVID-19 that you have implemented, including the funders, Secretary Jokno, Secretary Dominguez, all of you, Secretary Bersamin. I have warned you when I was in Malacanang. I defeated you because I hold the law of sovereignty and ownership in the name of Allah, in the name of God, in the name of my elders who had been working silently day and night with me. What are you, queens? And I am warning the Divine Maharlika ASEAN, I will get even to you for misleading the people, collecting money. I have already set my mind. I don't care if you are my friends, if you are my family, if you are my brothers and sisters, but truth is truth, and justice shall be implemented. You have hurt the world, not me. You have put wars because you connived to the cabals, to the Illuminati, to the ISIS. Now those people questioning the triangle, the cabal used that, but that is the essential message. That's why I am reminding Digong. You know who you are? Sara Duterte, Paulo, Baste. The more that you speak out, the more I can see that you are all liable. Do not ever dare to separate Mindanao, because I have done my part not to get and to separate. By the book I have submitted to the Congress, to the Senate, to the Philippine Constitution Association, to the BARM, to the Royal ICGA. I give my condolences to the family of the Rockefeller Rothschild by the loss of our Prince Ricky Nathaniel. For those that have helped them and destroyed, because you are connected to him, Maria Aurora Busoy Marcos. I introduced you to him, and yet you destroyed me. You put myself into jeopardy, and who are those people claimed my name, used my name? You will all be jailed for misrepresentation, for forgery. Stolen identity is a criminal offense. That is identity theft. Not only me, but also of Raja's name. Hinayaan ko kayo. Hinayaan ko kayo na lumitaw ang katotohanan. I sleep with you. But I know from my heart that you are the enemies planted to annihilate me, to destroy me. Yet you are so arrogant, telling to the whole world that you are the signatory of the infinite account. Jo Makalinaw, I'm warning you. Even what name do you hold? I have my accessibility as a sovereign judge to the whole world at that. I had been humble, low-key in my work, because I don't want any one of you to predict where I am going to pass through. But even the government did not even see of which tunnel I'm gonna pass. I am born as a fighter of truth and justice, and I will implement divine justice, no matter how you try to block me, because the time has come. In February 2nd, 2024, by the light of our mother, Siti Mariam, Mother Mary, I know that I have to push forward to give you the reminder that you are not going to win by the power of God, of Allah, of Buddha, of all the elders that I had been with me from time immemorial, who else will ever try to stop me? You? I had been roaming the whole world alone. I have given you the marking. I have given Eduardo de la Cruz an original documentation of this. And they have the copies of that. That's why I advise the highest intelligence group, the police of the International Criminal Court. Whoever holds my documents, whoever patterned in every doctrines that I have, arrest them. Arrest them. Even the highest leaders of the country. You are all liable. From 1986, caretaker government, presidents, congresses, senators, cabinet members, you are all liable, and you are going to suffer the consequences of the criminal action that you have done. Do not use the law. That's why all of you, lawyers, judges, you become the distortion propagandist of the truth. I will not stand today if I don't know what I am trying to see and say to you. I have seen everything that needed to be rectified. That's why I have the law drawn from the time that I recovered in 2014, and it was addressed to the Carpenter Agreement in March 22, 1915. And I have addressed my recovery to the European Unions, to Spain, to Germany, to Italy, to England, to France, the G5. I have addressed my recovery to the G20, and I have addressed my recovery to the World Bank Treasury. And I advise the Commonwealth Bureau of Treasury of the Philippine Islands to act on that. You cannot let them proceed. By now, as I declared, that enough is enough. Many are killed because of the cabal ISIS. Who is behind that? We know who are trainers to that. And I call to the Catholic Church. I have sent my messengers, my emissaries to the Vatican. Archbishop Tagle, you know what I am trying to tell you. The backup of your Vatican treasury. Whoever claims the money that belongs to the heritage asset, you have to pass through the treasury of the Philippine Islands. I have asked my royal protocol. I have asked that it has been too long. I have been with you. I played stupid idiot in front of you to be able to catch you all. But now you have to be answerable before the law of the sovereignty and ownership. God is God. Allah is Allah. Allah is Allah no matter what. Do not distort. There is only one Supreme Creator, the Omnipotent, the greatest. You had been trying to defy Him? That you yourself, the creation. Sad to say, you haven't seen the real me. And you have made me an ordinary as you can be. Because you have seen me in takurong, as a pauper. That is the program of God, of Allah, so that I would know how to fix this world. As the queen of the universal magnum of the global earth, I have earned my title and I give it to Mahathir. And Mahathir is also liable. All of you head of states of the world are all liable, are all culprits for cooperating, for being the subject of the cabals, of the ISIS, of the Illuminati. Triangle to triangle, eye to eye, choose for a truth. Itanim muli. Papo versus Opap, or Papo versus Opapru. MMRAG, the highest bureau to arrest you all, is the reversal of all this. This is now what we call the Omega Alpha. I have to reverse everything so that we could have the new beginning of the golden era that has been proclaimed, installed in July 3rd, 2023. You had been laughing at me, but you didn't know. What I have created, I can destroy. Because I am the creator. Now you absorb because you are the ones and you put another sultan. Don't you know? That is a defiance. And you are adding on to the list to be arrested. And I thank each and every one. Because I am asking your contribution. Why? To be part of me. So that you can feel, maramdaman nyo ang hirap ni Queen ng araw-gabi. Alam nyo ba? Kwento ko lang sa inyo. I was there in Manila and I know the dangerous areas I went through. Muntik na. Pero God will never allow that. Alam niyo ba? Ang sakit dahil nag-iisa. Bit-bit ko lahat ng testamento ko. Mag-isa ako, bit-bit ko ilang kilograms. And I thank my sister for even watching the plane. Grabe! Ngayon pa kayo lalaban? Na kung saan nailabas ko na ang pinakabaraha? Walang matitira sa inyo kapag ipinataw na ang lahat na iyan. Ang masakit, yung pinagmumura ka at the back, dahil peke ako. Lahat kayo, mula 2010, hanggang kay Lola Maria Ilaw, hanggang kay Palpalatok, do you know? They asked me in 2013 to appoint them as King and Queen of the Philippines. Imagine that. Now all of those that I have given authorities, I strip that off. Why? That is one way of rectifying each one of you. Pinalabas ko lang ang kabalbalan ninyo. I could never implement divine justice kung hindi ko rin nakita ang lahat ng pinaggagawa ninyo. Hinayaan ko kayo. Murahin ako, duraan ako, yurakan ako, i-black magic ako, hinayaan ko kayo. Pero lahat iyan, may hangganan. As the queen, as Diyos simulan, ang gagaling ninyo. Meron na nga akong nakita, nire-retoke para maging kamukha ko. We know that. And I thank my superiors in Lemurian, the 7 Mactum. Even that, binabawi ko sa inyo. Nakakuha lang kayo ng momentum. Alam nyo ba, pag nagmi-meeting kayo, hindi nyo alam nakikinig ako? Katulad niyan, pinagsasabi nyo, ay hawak namin yan, ang sultan na yan. Hawak namin yan lahat, wag kang mag-alala. Kaya namin baliktarin lahat yan. Ngayon, baliktarin ko ang kinain ninyo. This is the time that you have to see me. How? Face. And I have ordered that. Divine justice. Ngayon, kahit ito, mga sinyales, binawi ko na nga lahat ng signos na ginawa ng Illuminati, ng kabal ng ISIS. Marami kayo, mas marami kami. Naintindihan niyo ba ang ibig sabihin ng pagbawi? Thank you. Naintindihan niyo ba ang ibig sabihin ng pinahiram? Naintindihan niyo ba ang ibig sabihin ng otoridad? Kayong mga walang isip, walang modo, walang utak, na naglalakad sa kabukiran, nagpapaperma sa ngalan ng sultan ninyo. I advise all the military, arrest them. Arrest them. Wala na nga kayong sweldo, di ba? Wala na kayong pera. Ano pang inaantay ninyo? Intayin nyo na kayo mismo, kalad ka rin, sa pusod ng Malacanang? I have given you the timeline. And that timeline is over. Sinabi ko sa inyo, may nakikita na akong nagpo-post. The global reset has been given already. Do not wait for America. Do not wait for anywhere in the world. You wait. When the queen moves in the chess game, the queen always wins. But I am winning because I have to win and let the poor enjoy the long years of suffering because of you, government. Grabe! Nagagandahan ba kayo sa mga mukha ng mga nandiyadyaan na nagsasabi sila, ginukulimbat yung lahat ng mga budget? Magandang asal pa ba yan? What are you waiting for, people? People of God. People of Allah. Huwag ninyong paghiwalayin ang Islam at Christian. A true Islam is a true Christian. A true Christian is a true Islam. And my grandfather, Nini Buddha, would always say, time has come. Time has come. Marami kayo na talagang hinamak ng gusto. Biro nyo, pinakalat nyo, na ako ay nakakulong. Dalawa lang ang sagot nyo dyan. Paano limutan? Kaalyado nyo ako, kasama anong ginawa nyo ako, ninyo? O kaaway ko kayo. Dahil ang ginawa ninyo, nagtayo kayo ng sarili ninyo dahil nag-black propaganda kayo at sinabi na, patay na ako, nakakulong si Raja, may kaso ako, may kaso dito. Queen has the immunity. That's why I am giving you the immunity. Yung nasa akin all of you foreigners that are being abused by the Bureau of Immigration, learn to stand their rights. And all of those red tapes in all the sectors of the government, tinapos na iyan. Tama na. Ngayon, gagamitin ninyo ang mga lisensya ninyo para magmulekta kayo sa tao. Tapos na rin yan. Mas lalo kayong mahuhuli. That is the difference now. You can never run. You can never hide because the laws of the land of the Federal Republic of the Philippine Islands and the Federal Republic of Lupasug are both standing tall to all the world. The Sultanate of Sulu and North Borneo together with the Sultanate of Maguindanao, Sultanate of Sorsogon, Sultanate of Lanao. Kaya kayong mga sultan na itinalaga ko na may pangalan na nasa akin. Kaya magkaisa. Malapit na. Alam ko yan. Dahil may batas ang sovereign niya. Pag sinabing sovereign niya, kaya nga sovereign judges. Pag sinabi mong sovereign, yan ang hinawakan ng International Court of Justice, ng International Criminal Court, ng United Nations. Ngayon, pag sinabing reyna ka, kaya nga di ba nagpa-reyna din si Gloria at saka si Kibuloy ng Kalawakan? Who gives them? Who has given them rather? That is a defiance to the order of the Heavenly Court. And the Heavenly Court has already ordered the recovery of all the indigenous people of the world. Hindi niyo alam kung paano gumalaw si Queen. Pero, kung magmura kayo, para bang kayo na yung pinakagwapo, pinakamaganda. I remember, you can see my face. It's sometimes different from what you see. Because I allowed the Spirit of God, the Spirit of our forefathers, to use this body of mine, this brain of mine, to be able to fix. For those people presenting to be the God the Father, you will be in trouble. Because we know who is who. You have disappointed me. And you will be in trouble. Because all of this, may mga orders na po yan. Ngayon, ganito. May nagtanong, totoo ba itong nakikita namin na magkukulaps ang mga bangko? Ano sa palagay nyo? Bakit wala kayong pera? Bakit wala kayong sweldo? Military, police, governments. Last December, sinabihan ko na kayo, you want to enjoy the money of our lolos, of our grandmothers. Diba nagpadala ako sa inyo? Just confirm? Nagpadala ako doon sa mga lolo sa kabundukan. Your confirmatory is a sign that you are in one river stream, the flow ng grasya. Pero kung hindi, okay pa rin. But I will win. I will always tell that to you. I will win because I am born as a fighter to free lahat kayo. Kaya nga binalik ko ang National Liberation Front, ni-recover ko because nandoon yung aking objective. Ang objektiba ko, to rehabilitate, restore, to arrest lahat ng may mga kasalanan, lahat ng mga illegalities. That's why, yung inutusan ko, Brother Jojo, Stem, sinabihan kita noon, babalikan ko kayo. National Liberation Front of Southern Philippines, iyan ang dinala ko sa Malaysia nung ako'y nilapitan ng inchik na kinidnap mismo at alam namin ang kidnappers. I was even riding with horses going to the mountains retrieving the kidnap for ransom. Do you know that? National Liberation Front, dinala ko yan sa Malacanang. Pero, binili lang ni BBM dahil sa eleksyon. Yung nagpabili, siguraduhin ninyo, naklaruhin nyo rin iyan. Dahil alam ko rin kung paano ko aayusin iyan. Iniwanan nyo ako, salamat. Pero ang hindi nyo alam, ang RITF, Royal Imperial Task Force, ginamit ni Almas, kapatid ni Mamay, kasama si Abul Khair, si Habib. Sino yung boss niya? Kilala nyo yan. Bato-bato sa langit. Ang matamaan, wag magalit. Now, I asked you to support me. I even brought you to China. Pero mas naniwala ka sa inchik-inchik na siya ang queen? Kaibigan ko. Mismo talikuran niyo ako. Dahil may papeles kayo. Akin papeles po yan, oh. Yan. That is Rule 36. Ayan ang lulo, oh. Ayan. Hawak-hawak. Silyado, dokumentado, lahat po yan. Ngayon magsabi kayo ang may otoridad. Kayong sultan dyan sa Zamboanga. Ladyon, mag-ingat ka. Hindi nyo alam ang binangga ninyo. Be observant, check. Kaya nga minsan mahirap lang magpapadala ka pa ng mga pictures na sasabihin mo sa mukha ko yun ang totoo dahil wala akong credentials, nagkamali ka. Ora mismo, pwede kang hulihin. Pwede kayong hulihin dahil may batas ang sovereign niya. Hinayaan ko ang Korte Suprema umayos from March 22, 2015, wherein nagkaroon na tayo ng parallel government. Ang Royal Imperial Lupasug, Islamic United Kingdom of Sulu and North Borneo, in-install mismo ang Federal Republic of Lupasug. Na yun nga, namatay na si Reki Nathaniel, and I still thank him. Pero, ang galing kasi ng Tausug. Maria Busoy brought it there. Kaya kayong nasa isang grupo, eto ngayon meron pang isang grupo, na-mention ko na yung DMAP, alam ko kung saan kayo tatagpuin, sabi nga sa akin, alam din namin. Sayang lang ang pagka-queen ko of the universum magnum, the queen of the global earth, kung hindi ko kayo maitama. Ang mali-mali. Yan ang ibig sabihin yan. I was having trouble finding my money. Pero bakit niyo pinakialaman mismo ang pangalan ko at ako mismo yan? Bakit? Dahil akala niyo kaya niyo ako? Looking through the eyes of love. Alam niyo ba yon? Mata sa mata. Kaya nga nilabas ko yung triangle. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Hindi paghiwalayin. Arestuhin nyo kung sino nagpo-programa niyan. Alam ko rin, totoo ka pa ba o hindi? Isama na yung mga anak. Away anak dito, pula, berde, yellow, all these colors, down. Ang magwawagi na color, black, white. Sige, that is Lupasug color. Ang mahiwaga, lumantad na. Ngayon yung mga nagtatanong, kung ako'y Illuminati. Illuminati is light. Light, binigay ng Diyos kay Lucifer. Okay? Para sana hindi tayo maligaw. Pero that is divine program. Ngunit binawi na natin kay Lucifer ang kapangyarihan. In 2019, alam niyo ba yun? 2021, 2022, and I thank the grandfathers. I thank Ama Ali. Buhay pa siya. I have sent in 2010 Pumunta yung mga taga-Saba. Kaya nga, dinistort lahat. Dahil nagkasama-sama yung mga pamilya na nandiyan sa Kudat, nandiyan sa Sulu, kaya may pangalan kayo. Ibig sabihin, Queen, nagpakababa para malaman ko kung sino yung aaristuhin. May batas ang sovereign niya. May batas ang United Nations. May batas ang Criminal Court of Justice. May batas ang International Court of Justice, ang Organization of Islamic Conference. Lahat po yan ay ginawa ng lolo. Si Tunku Abdurrahman Putra Al-Haj kasama si Li Lei-chun, Hu Junhua, yan. Kaya nga, Apulakay, marami pong lumabas na Apulakay. Sabi ko nga, hayaan mo kasi ang Apulakay means matanda. No? Matandang tao. Kaya Apulakay. Pwede rin babae maging Apulakay? Matanda eh. Sabi ko sa kanila, tanungin nyo sila mga Ilocano. Pero ako, ilabas nyo kung sinong Apulakay nyo. Kasi diyan kayo nagkagulo. Ayaw ninyong tanggapin ang ginawa ko. Na alam ninyo, I will never embark on something that I am not sure of. Dahil araw-gabi ko yan binubuno. And I thank yung aking pamangkin, salamat. Lahat kamo nga sa Iloilo, nagpugad kamo dira, dakpunta kamo tanan. Kay nga aman, wala kamo kabalo, nga gina, daw bunit bala, ginbunit ko kamo, gintagaan ko kamo sang daga. Pero nung nahook kamo, balik kamo sa akon, kay nga aman, hindi ta kamo buyan. Ang mali ninyo, nagupod-upod ninyo dito nga nagsilinga siya tuod. Kagtanawa bala, tama bala na nga queen ninyo, gambler, buhos ng millions sa casino. Yan ba ang gusto nyo na queen? Yung gusto nyo ba na king? Yung nagasinungaling? Yung sultan ninyo, may sumpa lahat yan. Ngayon, Amil Bangsa Sultan, you better stop now. You are add-on to the list. Kasi lahat ng claimants walang patawad. Why? Because the law of ownership and sovereignty. Ibig sabihin, claimants kayo, nagklamar kayo. Mismo ang kapatid ni Kuya Raja, si Alnas bin Abdul Gapar, is a claimant. Ang masakit, sinuportahan ng mga liderato ng Mindanao, ng BARM, Mayor Amin, pasensya. Sino pa kaya? Ang dami nyo na po. Ngayon, sabi nyo nga sa akin, hindi kayo nagtatago. Dapat lang wag kayong magtago. And surrender. Bakit? Kung hindi kayo mag-surrender, you cannot hide, you cannot run. Maliit lang ang Pilipinas. Punta kayo sa Sabah, hindi lalo kayong mahuhuli. Punta kayo sa kahit saan, damor kayo mahuhuli, backdoors kayo. Lahat iyan. Hindi nyo kaya ang mga submarines ng international sa Sulu waters, sa Philippine Sea, ang tinatawag natin, sa Spratly. Lahat iyan. Pinaghandaan po yan. Bago kayo gumalaw, nakabantay na ako. Kaya ngayon ang sinasabi ko sa inyo masyado kayong naging mayabang. Masyado nyo akong inordinaryo. Wala yan si Helen. Wala yan. Ang tuod, ari, kay may ara sila authority. Baugin! kasakit, ara man lang Ara lang gingkuanan, dagiging tagaan ko man na sila sang original. Di nang gingamit nila, sino karon ang dakon ko, abi? Sino? Di ba kamo gyapon? Nagsunod-sunod tinyo dito, tapos ako nga mga amiga ninyo, ginpakahuyan nyo sa buong mundo? Nami bala na? Gindala ta kamo tanan sa Global Business Consortium. Grabe gid gani ang tinatawag natin na amo bala niyo, amo ni ang kabal, Illuminati, ISIS. Now, on the premise nga galuhod-luhod kamo sa simbahan, kadto kamo didto, kay ginbawi kong natanan karon ti ano himuon niya be? Sing ganon yung buang gid man si Queen. Iti buang na kung buang, mas buang kamo. Kay nga aman, wala kamo kabalo nga ang nagpabuang-buang amo gali ang tuod. Karon, amo gani naging singganan ko kamo. Tanan nga puwersa sa kabundukan. Nga amadlo kamo. Ang soberenya. May batas tayo. Indigenous people. Hindi yung mga tribal maharlika. Lahat ng maharlika na nirehestro sa Security and Exchange Commission, down. Wala otoridad. Din ka mo makuha sang inyo otoridad. Gapanguha ka mo kwarta. So that means you become illegal. Pwede ka mo dakun. Kaya ang inyo objective, ginatanaw ko na. Nga aga pang ulikta ka mo. Ngayon, Sultan Kelly, congratulations. Maski anawin mo on dira sang mga opisyal, maski magpakita pa sila sang ila mga agila nga mga salakyan dira, pabay karon dira nila makita nga wala sila kabalo nga kita Ilonggo, Maguindanao nga ginbili ni ama pandala pasandalan. Amo na ang dahilan nga wala kamo kabalo nga ang Panay Island kag ang Maguindanao, Mindanao iisang pusod. Gani kung kamo mapabayaan, kung ayaw ninyo tulungan kayo, bala kamo. Karon, ginahambalan ko dira ang mga military sa ligwasan. Kung kamo gapakita ang gasuporta kay Mariam, tapos ng otoridad nila ha, mas lalo kamo hindi masweldohan na. The more that you have to defy the truth, the more that you become the victim of their lies and conspiracy. Now, do you think these people are still with dignity? Wala. Anong dignidad? Ginanakaw gani ang kwarta sa DSWD, sa casino, sa PCSO, ginadala kong diin-diin. Di ano ang mayo dira? Amo gani na siling ko sa inyo, gipakahuyan niyo. Now, because of our divine governance, amo na ang matabo. May ara kita nga moral, spiritual value. Amo na ang ginapatikang kusubong tanan nga kawatan. O di baging kawat nyo nga akon nga pagkatao, di ano imuon ko sa inyo? Sige nga, tanan nga nagnakaw ng pagkatao. Ina, nag-misrepresent ka mo, di nakpunta ka mo Karon sing ganon nyo ako, hindi ako tuod nga Islam, nagkamali kayo. Diin kamo wala kamo kabalo sang inyo nga relihiyon. Nami kamo manghambal, pero wala kamo kabalo the real Islam as recorded by the World Book of Record. Mabuhay ang lupang pangako. Kasi darating ang araw, talagang makikita na ninyo na ang grasya sang Ginoo, ang grasya ni Allah, ipadaan gidman sa maayo nga kamot. The hands with purity of heart. Yan ang dahilan. Now, all of you that realize, dahil mangyayari at mangyayari, the system has been broken. No matter what, we have to start the golden era with the new system. Quintal will stand. Quantum will come. So America, binawi ko ang currency. All the 54 nations of the global Commonwealth balik sa pinagmulan. You don't know, Queen. Now, harang pa ka mo kay harang. Martin Romualdez, remember what I told you. One day you shall remember me when you need most, when you are in trouble. Ano sinabi ko sa inyo? Tulungan niyo ako. Juan Ponce Enrile, buhay ka pa. Di ba sinabihan kita? UP ang naging dahilan sa manipulasyon. Sinunog ninyo ang archives at inumpisahan ang MNLF. Hindi kayo nakontento, diniretsyo ang MILF. Ngayon, pagkatapos ng MILF, BIFF, pagkatapos ng BIFF, BF, pagkatapos niyan, ano? Kaya, labas ang Liberator, National Liberation Front of Southern Philippines, lahat ng mga leaders noon, lahat ng mga generals na nandoon. It is the time that the Ministry of Defense of the Philippine Islands Federal Republic will work side by side with you. Yan ang sinabi ko sa inyo. Kung ano ang pinagmulan, kung ano ang objective, the objective is to put peace and harmony. Go for it. As I keep on telling each and every one of you, you cannot beat the divine justice. Ang may-ari po ng mundo, hindi si Lucifer. Si God, si Allah. Yan ang ating creator. Look into your heart. Look into your brain. Lahat ito binibigay sa atin para mamuhay tayong mapayapa sa lupang pangako. Kaya nga ngayon, sana maintindihan ninyo, lahat kayo mga claimants, babalatan kayo ng buhay kapag hindi kayo tumino. Because ang kamay na bakal, through divine justice, i-implementa yan. Mas matindi yan. Yan ang ginamit ng mga lolo sa ibang bayan. Ngayon, sa araw na ito, February 5, 2024, Happy Fiesta sa Tacurong City, ang lupa na aking pinagmulan. Alam ko, the Helen of Tacurong will make a difference to the entire world. Whether you like me or not, I am a resident of where I was born. Never, never jeopardize my residency or the land that has been given to me. Because I will make it as a way that even the assessor's office will pay the crime. Marami na kayong ginawa. Walang lupa dapat galawin after 1986. The 1987 Constitution was illegal. Therefore, all of you that had participated in all this must bear the consequences of the loss of the land, of the properties, of the heritage asset, of the owners of the sovereign territory of God, of Allah. And to you, Prime Minister of the Federal Republic of Lupasum, Prime Minister Dr. Muksan Abdurajan, I salute you, sir. Sheriff, salamat sa pagpadala. Kindly encourage our people in Basilan, in Tawi-Tawi, in Zamboanga, and all the parts of Lupasu to help me, because the money that has been stolen from my account has given me a lot of headache. Itong ginagawa ko, hindi para sa akin, para sa inyo. Kasi 2010 pa lang, may pera na tayo dapat. Yung ginawa kong maghingi ng bigas ng 200,000 sacks, ibibigay na dapat ni Aquino, hinarangan lamang ng gobernador ng Sultan Kudarat at ng sultan-sultan nila, si Pax Manguda Dato. All of you, the blood of the Manguda Datos. Lake Lanao never owned you, nor you owned the Lake Lanao. Lake Lanao is the tail of the Liguasan. Therefore, I will redeem, I will recover what belongs to the Raja Sulaiman. All of you, General Santos City, lahat ng mga propriedad dyan sa marketplace that's not belong to you, Pacquiao, Riveras, all of you governors, mayors, inari ninyo, may kasulatan iyan. Dapat isinuli nyo na kay Sultan Pocan Marangit dahil siya ang pinagkatiwalaan ng royal family. Marami kayong kasalanan na ang kasalanan na yan ang siyang ginawa ni Queen, basihan para mahuli ko kayo sa akto, mahuli ko kayo sa basihan, mahuli ko kayo dahil sa kasinungalingan at sa katiwalian at sa inyong pamamahala na punong-puno ng oppression and oppression sa tao. I call the military. Listen to me now. The hour has come. Your decision is the decision of the salvation of your family, of your countrymen, of your people. I call the World Bank to implement what is necessary. No padrinos, no, walang ibig sabihin na mananalo ang katiwalian. I call to you, our grandfathers, our royal family of the United Nations. Thank you for giving me the courage and the strength to carry out the rule of law, the Rule 36. And this is it, the one that you gave me. As I translated it when it was handed to me, I know I have given them the leeways, I had given them the chances, but they never followed the rule. Instead, they blocked, total blackout of news. Ayaw nila akong ilabas dahil sa fixation na ginagawa nila. Dahil kung wala ka sa TV, hindi ka totoo. Magkamali sila doon. Yan. Ngayon, paano yan? Kilala ko ang binigyan ko niyan eh. Kilala ko yung mga taong nagnakaw ng mga accounts eh. Kilala ko rin yung mga manipulador. Kilala ko pa ang mga funders. Kilala ko pa ang gobyerno. Kilala ko pa ang mga nag-notarize ng mga papeles ninyo. Paano yan? Yan ang ibig sabihin. Lahat kayo ng mga apo-apo. You better have to decide. You talk to me or not my problem. Because I told you, God is my armor, truth is my banner, and justice is my passage to achieve my goal. And what is my goal? The resolution of the global crisis, the resolution of the global climate change, and the resolution of the health crisis that you have implemented in trying to block me, in trying to kill me, in trying to steal all that belongs to me. My goal is to save the poor, and the poor must live in peace and harmony. Freedom of choice, freedom of religion, freedom from hunger and poverty, freedom from oppression and suppression by the political government, by the claimants' royal families, by all these drug lords, praise the lords, casino lords, kidnap or ransom lords, and all the lords of the lords, the Illuminati and the Cabal and the ISIS. Woe to you! Woe to you that you have made this world into the land of bandits. Lahat naging kawatan ng dahil sa inyong kaganiran, sa inyong mga butot laman, para kayo lang ang makinabang at hayaan ang pobre mamatay sa kagutuman. Marami kayong naging dahilan. Ginamit ninyo ang batas. Ginamit ninyo ang mga artista para kayo ay manalo. Biro ninyo, wala na nga kayong authority. Ipaghiwa-hiwalay nyo pa ang soberenya. Wala na nga kayong authority. Ano pa ang gusto ninyo? Gusto nyo ba magbigay ako ng notice of eviction para makalayas na kayo sa Malacanang at sa inyong mga pwesto? Gusto nyo ba yan? Mabait si Queen. Minaliit ninyo. Ginawaan nyo ba ng istorya? Ginawaan nyo ba ng kalokohan? At i-duplicate, triplicate, at mag-claim kayo sa bangko, at yung mga bangkero, wala kayong magawa. Ito, I address this to all the chairman of the board of all the prime banks of the Philippine Islands. Listen carefully. The collapse is not mine. It is the decision of the World Bank. Woe to you that never adhered to my code. You thought you can stop it? No, because there is a law. All the central bank, lalo pa ang Pilipinas na naging claimants, Governor Titangco, Governor Suratus, lahat pa kayo. Ngayon, ang nagkunay, ang nag-conspire kay Dato Saribo, Dato Milyon ng Simonol, lahat kayo dyan na nagpanggap na bongbong galing sa Tawi-Tawi, na anak ni Brunei, maghunos dili na kayo. Lahat kayo na nagsasabi kayo ay totoo, humarap kayo sa husgado ng soberenya. Lahat kayo na nagsasabi kayo ay kayo, maraming salamat dahil bakal na rehas ang hahantungan ng inyong kaganiran sa pera ng iniwan ng mga maharlikang dugo. Again, I advise the Security and Exchange Commission, anyone that used the Maharlika as a company, a corporation collecting money, arrest them all. Because I have to protect the sacredness of this bloodline coming from God, from Allah. Maraming salamat. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong, kung meron kayong mga gustong sabihin, mag-iwan lang kayo ng mensahe at kayo ay pakikinggan. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa buong mundo na nagtatangkilik ng aking pananalita na punong-puno ng pag-asa, pananalita na kung saan nakikita ang tunay na katotohanan para maimplementa ang tinatawag na kasagutan sa ating mga problema. Maraming salamat po, aking mga kapatid, na nagbigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob sa araw na ito para lumaban muli sa himpapawid. Dahil isa laban sa lahat. Lahat tayo aangat sa lupang pangako. Masalam, mabuhay ang ating ninuno na nag-utos sa akin.